Hello everyone, we're having a taco dinner tonight. I really love Mexican cuisine and I think that you can find many interesting combinations and dishes there. Tacos are one of my favorites. Today we will cook tacos with chicken in lime marinade. With it, the chicken turns out juicy, slightly sour, and has an unusual taste. You can put different ingredients into the filling according to your taste, but I'll show you how to make a quick salsa. The full list of ingredients will be in the description of the video. First, we need to marinate the chicken. Since we need a minimum of 30 minutes to marinate but a maximum of 2 hours. I cut the chicken thinly so that it marinates faster. Immediately cut into cubes, then immediately send to the pan. By the way, for such a marinade, I advise you to use not chicken breast like mine, but chicken thighs. It will be even tastier. Next, chop the parsley, cilantro and garlic and send to a bowl with chicken. There we survive the juice of 2 limes. Added a little olive oil, salt, black pepper and chili pepper. Don't add too much chili so that tastes don't argue with each other. We mixed everything well and we can move on. Okay, next, chopping salsa ingredients. Onion first. We cut it into small cubes. Half of the onion will be enough for us. Then also finally chop the tomatoes. A couple of tomatoes will be enough. Pour it all into a bowl, then chop the parsley. Add canned corn to the onion and tomatoes. Half the package will be enough, and we send half of the chopped parsley there too. Don't forget to add salt and pepper. I also add dried garlic, and we mix everything well. Our chicken has already marinated and now we can fry it. I pour a little oil into the pan and pour out the chicken. I previously drained the rest of the marinade. Fry the chicken until tender, stirring occasionally. Well, now we can finally collect tacos. I buy ready-made tacos. They are very convenient and they're so crispy. First, I put a lettuce leaf. Then I spread the salsa, add chicken on top, and sprinkle with cheese. Perfect! Look how delicious it is. It makes me want to eat as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, I will be glad if you like and subscribe. After all, I have a lot of my any interesting recipes on the channel. I wish you a wonderful evening and delicious dinner. See you soon.